Hello friends, in the previous session we have discussed how to create the company in Tally 4.0. In this session we will see how to open the particular company data or how to select the company in Tally 4.0. So I am just opening Tally 4.0. As and when I open Tally 4.0 I will find the list of the company window in front of me. From this list of the company, I can select any of the company in which I want to work. Same for example, I am selecting the ABC company limited. So I just select this company and press enter. And then when I press enter, the company ABC limited is open. Now I can work on this company. Suppose I want to open another company, then I can also open. Here you will find that the company tab on the top left hand side. Just select here and go to the select menu and press enter. You will find the list of the company from here. So here I can select the company in which I want to work. Same for example, I want to work on XYZ associate, then I can select XYZ associate. Same for example, I want to change the company from XYZ associate to ABC limited, then I just have to press here on ABC limited, so my company will be changed. If I press here on XYZ associate, then my company will be changed. If I press F3 button from the keyboard, I will find the active company which are open. So here, from here also you can change the company. Same for example, right now XYZ associate is open. I can change to ABC limited also. Also, you can find the list of the company window from your keyboard by pressing Alt plus F3. That is Alter plus F3. Again, when you will press Alt plus F3, you will find the list of the company. Now I will show you one another method from which you can open your company data. So I am just opening the Tally 4.0 again. So here you will find the option called specify path. So again when I press enter here, it will ask me to specify the company or specify the folder path. So I have the one company data on my desktop. So I will copy down the path of this company. So I just open here the property. I will copy down the path of this company data and I just press Ctrl plus V here and press enter here. I will find that my company PQRN company here in the list of the company window, and I just press enter here, so my company is open. So in this way, in Tally 4.0 you can open the particular company data or you can select the particular company. So I hope you will understand this. Thank you very much.